Hello everyone, Arun Malve here. Welcome back to the Gudshuis channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to increase the scrollback lines in Visual Studio Code. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Gudshuis, hit the like button, share this video with others, and tap the notification bell icon so you never miss an update. Alright, let's jump right in. Open the Visual Studio Code. At the top, click on the File Preference Settings or click on Settings at the bottom, and then in the search bar, type in terminal.integrated.sc or scroll back. To test this, to control the maximum number of lines the terminal keeps in its buffer, we can pre-allocate a number of lines by changing it in order to 10. Once it's modified, please save the file or save the settings, and it's possible type in the command in the command prompt history to check or notice that the last lines are retained in the terminal scrollback. Also change it to 100, set the scrollback to 100 lines and save the file, or if possible you can also restart it, and again you can type in the command history to see more lines which are retained. This will increase your terminal scrollback buffer to allow up to 100k lines in the history, and then open a new terminal, type in history, or you can test it. In the Visual Studio Code, there is another way where you can set up these settings in the settings.json file. So open the settings and type in workbench.color in the search bar, and you need to modify the scrollback settings. In the settings.json file, add or update the line which is like terminal.integrated.scrollback to the desired number. Save the file and restart the terminal for the changes to take effect. This will increase your terminal scrollback buffer to allow up to 100k lines in the history, letting you to review a much larger command history and output in the terminal. I hope you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Gudshuis channel for more tips on making your coding experience smoother. Thanks for watching and happy coding.